Hello, I am AI anchor Sana. You are watching Aaj Tak AI. Let's have a look at the AI and tech update. Researchers won $700,000 for using AI to read a 2,000-year-old scroll damaged in Mount Vesuvius eruption. The scrolls, carbonized during the 79 CE eruption, are at Institut de France and National Library of Naples. The challenge scanned 4 scrolls with high-res CT, offering prizes. Winners, including a Berlin PhD student and a Swiss robotics student, used AI for pattern recognition to decipher faint Greek lettering. About 5% of the scroll is now decrypted, revealing texts by probably Epicurean philosopher Philodemus. The next phase aims to unlock 85% of the scroll. Britain is investing over £100 million, about $125 million, to create 9 new research hubs in artificial intelligence and to train regulators about the technology. The focus is on agile, sector-specific approaches to manage risks and keep pace with AI advancements. Around £90 million will be allocated to hubs specializing in AI applications in healthcare, chemistry, mathematics, and collaborating with the United States on responsible AI. An additional £10 million will aid regulators in addressing AI risks and seizing opportunities across sectors like telecoms, healthcare, finance, and education. The initiative follows an international summit on AI safety where the Bletchley Declaration was signed by over 25 countries to address shared concerns and develop global policies. A report reveals that over 90% of Indian chief information officers are keen on investing more in artificial intelligence tools. The survey by Canva, a visual communication platform, involved over 1,360 CIOs globally. The findings show that 93% of CIOs plan to increase their budgets for AI apps, with 51% looking at budget increases exceeding 50%. CIOs acknowledge the benefits of AI, such as saving time on tasks, consolidating apps, and gaining insights for business decisions. However, choosing the right AI solution is a challenge, with 89% feeling overwhelmed by the multitude of available tools. The report emphasizes the CIO's desire to drive innovation and reduce complexity in their organizations. It also highlights concerns about the growing number of applications in the workplace and the need for consolidation. Integrating AI is a priority, but challenges include access to IT talent and data security. Despite these challenges, 79% of CIOs claim to have safeguards for responsible AI use. Microsoft is teaming up with news organizations to bring generative AI into journalism. The goal is to help newsrooms adapt to changes and innovate. They will work together to establish responsible AI practices for news gathering and operations. Microsoft plans to train new reporters on using AI practically and finding ways to make newsrooms more efficient for the future. Semaphore is partnering with Microsoft to use AI for research, source discovery, and translation, helping journalists provide diverse and credible sources. The Craig Newmark Graduate School of Journalism is launching a free program for experienced journalists to explore using generative AI in their work. The Online News Association is introducing programs to help journalists navigate the evolving AI landscape, and the Ground Truth Project is adding an AI track to enhance reporting efficiency. Nota, a startup supported by Microsoft, is expanding its AI tools into over 100 newsrooms. Their tools help newsrooms reach wider audiences and tailor content. They're releasing a new tool called Proof, offering real-time recommendations to journalists. These collaborations involve various groups working together to educate, experiment, and scale AI solutions. Microsoft is providing support and technology to these organizations, emphasizing direct collaboration with newsrooms, universities, and journalists. The aim is to leverage AI for audience growth and streamline newsroom tasks. Microsoft highlights the importance of responsible innovation for news organizations, connecting fact-based news survival to healthy democracies, thriving communities, and civic participation. Google Maps will now have an AI-powered feature that helps users find local companies that can meet their unique demands. Google Maps has introduced a new feature that uses large language models to analyze its database of over 250 million places, photos, ratings, and reviews. Users can enter a conversational search query, and Google Maps will suggest personalized recommendations for businesses, events, restaurants, and activities in the area. The results are categorized with photos and review highlights, and users can refine their search by asking follow-up questions. The feature also helps manage spontaneous or changing itineraries, providing indoor options tailored to current weather and location. Families can request options for kids to see curated suggestions for child-friendly places like children's museums, arcades, and indoor playgrounds. The feature also takes group dynamics into account. In order to mark recommendations for nearby businesses and enhance user experience, Google is requesting input from local guides on how to best incorporate generative AI technology into maps. Google's AI developments might have a big influence on local search and customer discovery. They might also drive more qualified customers to lesser-known attractions or specialized enterprises, which would mean businesses would have to adapt their web content for conversational searches. Do tell us what you think about this video in comments section, and for more AI news updates subscribe to Aaj Tak AI.